Hello, good morning students. My name is Meena Rana. Today I am going to discuss exercise 5.3 from NCERT book, that is differentiation, from question number 5th. So question number 5th is find dy by dx. So relation is given, that is x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. So the first step is differentiate with respect to x. We get, because you have to find derivative of y with respect to x, so you have to differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative of x square plus derivative of xy plus derivative of y square is equal to derivative of 100. Now derivative of x square, that is equal to 2x according to the formula of x raised to power n, that is equal to n x की power n minus 1. So according to x square, it changes to 2x raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it changes to 2x plus derivative of xy. There are two functions are multiplied here. So which formula we used here? That is u into v. So derivative of u into v, that is the product formula, which is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So according to this formula, x derivative of y plus by derivative of x, that is dx by dx, that is equal to 1. So by multiply by 1, that is equal to 1. So x dy by dx plus y, that is the derivative of xy, plus y square. What is the derivative of y square? That according to the formula x raised to power n changes to 2 by into y is the other variable rather than x. So again derivative of the other variable, that is dy by dx, is equal to derivative of constant is always 0, so is equal to 0. Now you have to find dy by dx. So taken all the equations of dy by dx at one side and other equation to the other side. So x dy by dx plus 2 by dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y to the other side. So dy by dx taken as a common, we get x plus 2 by is equal to minus 2x minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus taken as a common, we get 2x plus y upon x plus 2 by. That is the answer of the 5th question. So let us start the next question, that is 6th question. 6th question is find dy by dx, and equation is given x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So first step is, now given relation is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Now first step is differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of x cube, derivative of x square y plus derivative of xy square plus derivative of y cube is equal to derivative of 81. Now what is the derivative of x cube? According to x raised to power n formula, that is n x की power n minus 1, that is changes to 3x square plus u into v. Now what is the formula of u into v? U into derivative of v. So x square derivative of y plus v into derivative of u. V is y, so plus y into derivative of u, that is x square. So y into derivative of x square plus again using uv formula, x derivative of y square plus y square derivative of x is 1. So it changes to y square plus derivative of y cube, that is 3y square into derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant term is 0. Now 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x, x की power n formula, by using x raised to power n formula changes to 2x plus x into derivative of y square, that is 2y into derivative of the variable, that is y. So into derivative of by, that is dy by dx plus y square as it is plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take dy by dx, all the equations of dy by dx at the one side and other equation to the other side. So dy by dx taken common. Now equations are x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. These three equations are related with dy by dx. So x square plus 2xy plus 3y square and all the other equation to the other side, positive changes to negative. So 3x square comes minus 3x square, that is minus 2xy plus y square changes to minus y square. So dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square minus 2xy. So minus taken common, it becomes 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon this term multiply by this by dy by dx. So changes to division. So x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So that is the answer of the sixth question. Now seventh question is, find dy by dx. Relation is sin square y plus cos xy is equal to pi. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of sin square y plus derivative of cos xy is equal to derivative of pi. Now according to pronunciation, derivative of sin square y, according to pronunciation, derivative of sin square y, sin square y, derivative of sin square y, derivative of sin square y, you can write it as a sin by whole square. Now which formula use firstly? X raised to power n, that is x raised to power n is n x की power n minus 1, it becomes 2 sin y into derivative of the second function, that is the sin y into derivative of sin y plus derivative of cos of xy, derivative of cos of xy, cos of xy. Now derivative of cos xy, whole term is taken as a cos. Cos is according to pronunciation cos xy. It is completed pronunciation. So first function is cos. So according to the first function, formula used here, what is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x. So it changes to minus sin of xy into derivative of the second function, that is xy. So derivative of xy, that is the second function, is equal to 0. So 2 sin y into derivative of sin y is cos y into derivative of the variable, that is y. So dy by dx minus plus minus minus sin xy. Now uv formula, x derivative of y plus y derivative of x is 1, so is equal to 0. So multiply by this term, it becomes x sin xy dy by dx plus minus minus by sin of xy is equal to 0. Now all the terms of dy by dx taken at the one side and the other term to the other side. So dy by dx 2 sin by cos y minus x sin xy is equal to positive, negative changes to positive. So y sin of xy. So dy by dx is equal to y sin of xy. This term divided to that side, that is 2 sin by cos y minus x sin xy. So what is the 2 sin by cos y? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So in the same way, 2 sin by cos y changes to sin 2y minus x sin xy. So that is the answer of the seventh question. So let us start the next question, eighth question. Find dy by dx. Relation is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Now first step is differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of sin square x plus derivative of cos square y is equal to derivative of 1. Now derivative of sin square x. So using formula of x raised to power n, that is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, that is the second function, plus same here 2 cos y derivative of cos y is equal to 1 is the constant, so derivative of constant is 0 is equal to 0. So 2 sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, then variable is x, so derivative of x is 1, so it changes to 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos y, derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and that variable is changed here, it is dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2 sin y cos y dy by dx taken other side, negative term becomes positive is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So what is the formula of 2 sin y cos y? That is sin 2x, sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So dy by dx is equal to sin 2x upon sin 2y. That is the answer of the 8th question. That is the answer of the 8th question. 2 sin by cos y changes to sin 2y and 2 sin x cos x changes to sin 2x. So dy by dx is equal to sin 2x by sin 2y.